So you guys know I love me a cocktail. Every time you tune in, I'm always drinking something. Tonight I was drinking a Grey Goose Martini. Now, to make a Grey Goose Martini, you need Grey Goose, of course. You need you a shaker, okay? You need you a martini glass and olives, okay? Now I like 3 olives, not one, not two, but 3, okay? And I already have those in my glass. And you also need you some vermouth that cuts through the vodka. Now remember, this has alcohol in it, okay? Now, to start, we want to open our shaker. Now, I already have my ice in here. So, you want to pour your Grey Goose into your vodka, okay? All right, and I mean, I don't measure it out, but I like to cover it up. I like to cover the ice up, okay? So, that's how I measure. I mean, I don't know if that helps. And then you want to do your vermouth. Okay, I like to take the cap off of my mixer and pour a cap full. I just do a cap full. Okay, there we go. We pour that in there. Okay, now remember with the vermouth, now I use the extra dry. I like dry everything, dry wine, dry vermouth, everything. But and that's because Grey Goose is a smoother vodka. So the extra dry kind of helps the contrast. Now if you use like Tito's or the house vodka Kettle One or Absolute, you want to do like a sweet, but it really goes off your taste buds, okay? But I like Martini and Rossi. They have different brands, but that's the brand that I like. So once you have that all mixed together, you want to shake. Okay, work it out. I like to get it nice and cold. Okay, so once that's mixed together, you pour it in your glass. Oh my God. Oh, that looks so good. Now, I don't like a dirty martini. A dirty martini is if you like olive juice mixed in. If you like olive juice in your martinis, then you would mix it into your mixer before you pour it, okay? But I don't. I like a non-dirty, okay? Give me my shit straight up, okay? Mmm. Oh my God, it's so good. Get that olive back in there, and then you have the olives in there for like a little snack, cause you know when you drink, you need to eat a little something, keep something on your stomach. This is good. Listen, ladies, drink with class. Okay? Remember that. Drink responsibly and drink with class. Peace out.